Hi, welcome to part 2 of the Pi tutorial. So I have my Raspberry Pi here and it's in the plastic case. So if you look closely, there's the SD card slot. If I take this out from the case, you should be able to see it clearly. So that's the SD card slot. So we're going to start connecting the cables just to make sure that they work alright. So the first thing we'll do is connect the USB cable into the USB slot so that power comes on, the light comes on. So the next thing we need to do is connect Ethernet. So just to be safe, I'm going to put this back in the plastic case. So yeah, so that should be fine. So the Ethernet goes in there. The USB for the keyboard goes in there. USB for the mouse goes in there. And we need to connect HDMI to the monitor, which goes in there. And finally the SD card. So I'm going to insert the micro SD card into the adapter, and this thing has to go into that slot. So really carefully, actually it's better to disconnect the power for this. So I'm going to disconnect the power and look for the contacts on the back, and they have to essentially touch those. So we're going to insert it like that. Maybe it's better to take off the case. So insert it right. So that should fit nicely, and you can put it back in the case afterwards. So we've got everything but the power connected. So I connect the power source. Now since there's no OS on the card, this is not going to boot up, but we're going to look at installing the OS in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.